What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Welcome to another peg hunting video. It's been a little bit of a while since I posted a peg hunting video. Honestly, the reason is just I've tried to go peg hunting and I just haven't found anything. So we just pulled up to Fred Meyer here, and I'm really hoping that we find something. I've come on a Tuesday, which seems to be the best day to come. I think they restock Monday nights or early Tuesday mornings. So let's head on inside and hopefully we find something good and I can show you guys. See you inside. First thing we see is a whole bunch of new Hot Wheels, and I'm trying to look through them quickly as a quick scan. It looks like there's just a lot of fantasy cars on this shelf, so we'll go ahead and we'll go down the aisle. We'll see what else we can find. Ooh, check these out. Fast and Furious, this is the quarter mile set, and we've got the 51st anniversary Hot Wheels set. Ooh, and the Datsun, yes. Ooh, this display, it almost looks like it's untouched. It looked like they just stocked this. So this is good news. We've got 6 cars in the set. We've got the El Camino, the Datsun, the Firebird, Astro Rat, the Chevy 2, and the Plymouth Superbird, plus the chase car, which is Gotta Go. So we'll see if we can find that in here as well. So let's go ahead and have a look. We've got a couple different ones. This El Camino is really nice. We'll start lining them up down here, so hopefully we can get all of them. What do we have down here? We've got another one of the El Caminos. We've got another one of the Astro Rats. And which one am I missing here? I'm trying to figure out which one I'm missing. I think, did I get the Firebird? No. Let's see, Astro Rat. We've got, let's see, what is this back here? Let's see what we can find. Look at all of these. Oh, here we go. We got the chase car. Yes, we got the Gotta Go chase car. Yes. All right. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be able to get the complete set. Here's another one of the chase cars. Another Gotta Go chase car. We might have to grab that one too, or we'll leave it. We'll see. Let's have a look first at the Fast and Furious ones. We've got the Mustang, the Boss 302. We've got 2 Chevelles. We've got a Firebird in these. Let's go ahead and see if we can find the whole set. There's the Firebird, 71 Pontiac Firebird. We've got the Mustang already, Chevelle. Let's see if we can find another one down here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I keep going back and forth. There's got to be a full set of these in here. So we'll have to go through in a second. And let's head on over to the aisle. Looks like a bunch more main lines here. We've got a bunch of Hot Wheels 9-pack. And we've got the NSX in there and 2-lane launcher. Let's have a look what else we can find. Smashin' Stunt Rig. We've got some Marvel cars. Looks like the Easter set's still here. And we've got some more Avengers. There's the Lion King. We've got the Street Fighter set there as well. What else do we have down here? We've got a couple different sets here. Look at this. It's just like a drag racing set. There's some sort of like construction scooping set. We've got some hot trucks down there, the Track Stars. What else do we have up here? We got one of those stunt trucks. There's the Mega Hauler. What else? We have mystery trucks. Bunch of the new monster trucks as well. We've got, look at these, so many nice monster trucks now. I might have to pick up some of those. Matchbox looks stacked. We've got the Audi RS4 right there, and is the RS4 or the RS6? One of the two. And let's see, we've got another Matchbox like type of hauler type of thing. We've got the fire truck. Here we've got some of these cool Matchbox Superfast. These are the new ones. I haven't got these ones yet. We got, check it out. This is like, what is this, like the Speed Racer one? I think this is the Speed Racer one. And we've got one of the trucks back here. There's like an old like 30s truck. We've got the Camaro. Check that out. The detail on these, like check out the detail on the inside. So nice. Matchbox 50th super fast. Wow, those ones are nice. Let's move this stuff over here. We've got some bin here. We've got a couple of different things. Let's go ahead and have a look here. Matchbox 5-pack. We've got some cars stuff. Oh, check out these. We've got a couple of the M2s. Got some newer ones. The Datsun Bluebird. I don't really know much about these M2s. I don't think they're that valuable. These ones, none of them are chase pieces. I've seen them pretty regularly. We've got some airplanes here. And check out these Fast and Furious cars. Pinocchio up top there. There's the Eclipse, Brian's Eclipse. We've got Brian's Supra down there as well. What else do we have down here? There's another Supra. Oh, there's a Lykan Hypersport. Ooh, this one was so nice. I love this car. Such a cool car. Lykan Hypersport. We might have to Ooh, should we grab this? We'll put it aside for a second. We'll decide in a sec. Here we got a bunch of 1 in 36 scale cars. I love these 1 in 36 scale cars. I've started collecting a lot more of them. I've got some videos coming up with them in the future. You guys are going to have to stay tuned for that. But let's see what we have. Is this a 650S? It looks like McLaren 650S.
We've got the Porsche 918 Spider. What else do we have down here? Let's see. Ooh, check this out. Lamborghini Sv Murcielago Sv. That's a beautiful one. Might have to pick that one up. What else do we have up top here? There's a GTR. There's another McLaren 650S. Yep, 650S. There it is. Nice one. That should have the doors coming up too. What else do we have up top? Lots of Porsches, Mini Cooper, BMW. What else do we have over here? Oh man, there's so many of these cool cars that are coming out now. I might have to start picking more of these up. Let's head out of this aisle and see what else we can find. And check this out. Wow, we've got a whole display. Looks like a bunch of brand new Hot Wheels. Looks like we've got the Demon, we've got the new Demon, we've got some of the Corvette racers. Looks like a few people have gone through the bottom of the top 300ZX. Doesn't look like a lot of people have touched them. I love this Demon. This Demon is so nice. Let's see what else we have here. Tesla Model 3, a couple of other good ones. I might have to just spend some time going through these guys and looking through and seeing what I can find. Hopefully I can find a super treasure hunt in here. We'll have a look. The Demon, the Corvette Racer would be the super treasure hunts to find. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time going through these. On to another aisle here. We've got some Fast and Furious RC cars. The Skyline, the Supra. What else do we have down here? We've got a nice R8, it looks like. Another R8 there. We've got the Mercedes. Got some monster trucks here, some Tonka trucks. Some pretty cool RC type of cars. Check out these F-150 Raptors. Those are neat. Those are fun. Let's see, what else do we got here? We got some kind of like model cars that you build. There's a nice Lamborghini Gallardo. And we'll have to go on and check out now.
All right, Peak Timers, we're just heading back to the car, and that was a successful trip. Let's head on into the car and I'll show you guys what I bought. Wow, guys, wow. I am shocked that we actually found some really cool cars. We found a couple of complete sets and some other stuff as well. Let's go over what I found. I know I showed you guys some stuff on video. There's a few things that you didn't see that I will show you that I did find. So first things first, we did find the Fast and Furious set. So we got the whole brand new Fast and Furious quarter mile muscle set. So there it is, quarter mile muscle, the complete set of that. Let's go over the cars that we got. We got the 1970 Chevelle SS right there in the gray. And for some odd reason, I don't know why they did this, but they have another colored 1970 Chevelle SS. So both of the same cars, two different colors. I guess they do have two of them in the movies, so they wanted to have two different colored cars, but I thought they would feature them in different sets, but for some reason they put them in the quarter mile muscle set. This one's my personal favorite from the whole set. It is the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. I think that one's really cool. I really like that one. We found the 67 Chevrolet Camaro there. The Camaro, that one's a really nice one as well. And this one actually I think is really cool. I love the livery and stuff that is on them. You can hear some fire trucks and stuff in the background. 1971 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Check that one out. Love the livery on the Trans Am. That one looks really cool. I'd probably say, actually, maybe this one is probably my favorite of the set. It's hard to say. They're both so many good ones in the set. So we got those 5 cars from that set, and we'll be doing an unboxing review and stuff of those in an upcoming video. And I'll show you what else I got here as well. We got the 51st anniversary set. So there it is, the 6 cars from the 51st anniversary set. So let's go over them. I don't have them all in order here. We got the 1970 Plymouth Superbird right there, Plymouth Superbird. We got the Camaro, so custom 67 Pontiac, oh no, Firebird. I called it a Camaro, it's a Firebird. 67 Firebird. We got the, what is this, Chevy 2. We got the Chevy 2 right there. We got the custom 71 El Camino. Boom, check that one out. That one's pretty cool. We got the Aristo Rat, Aristo Rat. We got the 71 Datsun 510 Wagon, fan favorite. There you go, lots of people with the Datsun Wagon fan. And we did find the chase piece for it as well. We got the Gotta Go chase car. So that one's not listed on the back. You can see they only list the 6, and that's the chase piece for it, the Gotta Go. So we got that one as well. Pretty cool that we found the chase piece for it. And I also got a couple other cars. You did see this one on film. We got the 1 in 36 scale, I think it's 1 in 36 scale, Lamborghini Murcielago Sv. I love this car, one of my favorite Lamborghinis. And then we've got the doors that pop up. This is a pullback car. I've done a couple of videos on pullback cars, and I'm actually planning a video with a big race of pullback cars. So there we go. We got the Lamborghini Murcielago Sv. And I don't think I showed this one on camera, but last but not least, we got the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera, and this one's got the nice looking big wing on there, and we've got the opening doors on there, and that's a pullback car as well. So there we go. Awesome, awesome. Super excited that we found all of that stuff, guys. I got 2 complete sets. I got some pullback cars. I actually did buy another set of the 51st anniversary one because I want to open one for you guys, and then I want to collect one. So I want to display one. I think it's the packaging on these is just really cool. I think it looks really neat. So we might have to display them on the wall, and you guys will probably see them in a video. But thank you very much for watching this peg hunting video. I'm super excited. I found some good cars. We will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.